Children listen, this is chapter number 6, 6.3, derivative of, application of derivative 6.3, part number 5. Already 4 part we have uploaded. This is 5th part. From question number 17 we are starting. Okay. A square piece of a tin, side 18 centimeter. There is a square piece it seems. So that let me draw a square piece. Okay. Let me draw a square. Square will draw here. This is the square. Okay, square now what my dear? Each length equal to same. Okay, here they said what? Side is 18 centimeter. Then here the full length will be 18 centimeter. Same here also what? 18 centimeter. Like that all the four side also will be 18 centimeter. Okay. Now is to be made in the box. See that square piece made into a box it seems without a top. Top is not forming. Okay, how they will be doing? Let's see. By cutting a square from each corner. So in the corner they will be removing the square piece. So one square piece they will be removing here. Same size of a square piece they will be removing here. Okay. Same size of piece they will be removing. All the four side square pieces they will be removed. Okay, they removed means it's removed. It's not there. After cuts they removed. Understand? That is the meaning. I hope you understand what I'm speaking. Okay, they removed it. Folding up the flap form a box. Now the remaining will be there, right? Remaining when you fold, it form a box it seems. How they will be doing remaining? Listen, pa. See how much length I have taken. This length, let me take x distance. And this also x distance. It means small square piece they are cutting in the corner, I'm right. The square piece length I'm taking as the x. Then this fully 18 after remove this x from the 18, then what is the balance pa? 18 minus 2x you will be getting. Same manner here also, this is x, this is also x. From the 18, 2x removed then balance what you will be getting? Also 18 minus 2x. Understand? Now when you fold this x only will become a height because we will be folding this is as a like what in the corner prism, right? So that x only will be coming as a height. So listen carefully. Then length means okay, length actually side we have to give. It form a box now like a cuboidal box it will come. Why it is a cuboidal box now? Length, breadth equal, but height is what? Different. Height is what here? X. So that this is a cuboidal box only. Then length and breadth both are equal to 18 minus 2x, where x is equal to side of a corner square. Okay, corner square what we have, that is the x. Understand? Side of corner square. And height, what my dear? Height is equal to x units. Okay, that is, this is the information at present what we have. Understand? Right. Listen carefully. What should be the side of square to be cut off? The side of corner square I wrote now, that is side of to be cut off, means which we have removed after cuts. That is the side of square to be cut off. They are telling side of a corner square to be cut off. Okay. So this x only they are asking to find. Right. For finding x, what is the condition is given by the question? That we'll see. Volume of the box is maximum possible. Have you noticed it? The word which they gave? Volume of the box which is maximum. Maximum minimum word is given in the word problem in the 6th chapter. What we have to do that? That is we have to differentiate. Okay, here volume of the box is maximum they said. Then which one you have to differentiate? Volume you have to differentiate. Okay, so that volume of a box. What box we have? Cuboid. Why cuboid? Because length breadth equal but height is not equal. Suppose length breadth height equal, that will become cube. Understand? This is cuboid only. Cuboid volume means V you take. which is length into breadth into height. That is our volume. This is we have to differentiate. Now length value what na? 18 minus 2x. Even breadth also 18 minus 2x. H is what na? Hex. H is what na? Hex. Okay, H height is equal to what pa? X. That's it. This is the volume B. This is we have to differentiate. Here 18 minus 2x we have it twice. So that 18 minus 2x whole square into x. This is you have to differentiate. You have to differentiate and you want to say this is the maximum. Means in the double derivative you have to bring the less than 0. That's it. Later you want to find what is that? Here they said what here what should be side of square cutoff. Okay, the cutoff square side length is what? That is x value what they are asking. Have you understand question first? Right, fine. Now we'll go. First we'll differentiate this. I'm going to use UV formula only. This is U, this is V. That is I'm going to use. Okay, use the UV formula. UV whole dash is equal to U dash V plus U V dash. This is the formula I'm going to use. Okay, so that differentiate with respect to x on both sides. V when I differentiate V dash and first what is that? U dash V na? U dash what? This is 18 minus x whole square. So that 2 into 18 minus 2x whole square na? Square minus 1 means 2 minus 1. Later we have to differentiate inside what we have that also. 18 derivative 0 minus 2 into x derivative what na? 1. Means 2 into 1. That's it. This is what? Fully U dash. This is fully what pa? U dash. Okay. Next into V. V means what ma? Just x. Plus now U into V dash. U means 18 minus 2x whole square into V dash. Means x when you differentiate 1. Means x when you differentiate what pa? 1. Now you simplify this carefully pa. Here we have minus 2x. Outside 1 2 also, then minus 4x meaning. Okay. And before that what is common that you can take? 18 minus 2x. 18 minus 2x is common that you can take outside. 18 minus 2x if I'm taking outside now, then 2 minus 1 1 only, that 1 I have taken outside. Then minus these two 2 2s are 4, but minus 4 and this x means minus 4x plus from this 18 minus 2x 1 only I have taken, then one more 18 minus 2x will be there inside. I hope you understand this. Now what is that? B dash is equal to 18 minus 2x into what is that? 18 minus 4 minus 2 na? Minus 6x you will be getting. This is V dash at present we have. Okay. Let's take this is what pa? Answer number 1. Now put V dash is equal to 0, then only you can find a V value. Okay. Sorry, x value. 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x which is equal to 0. Multiplication now you can make it equal to 0 separately. 18 minus 6x which is equal to 0. Now 18 is equal to what pa? 2x. 2 when you cancel, 9 is equal to x. 9 equal to what my dear? X. Have you noticed x is 9 na? Listen children, suppose x is 9 na, what will happen this one? 2 into x means what pa? 0 is coming. Ma x value 9 when you give here, 2 into 9 18, then 18 minus 18 0. If 0 comes na, whether the box will form? Box cannot form. So that 9 is rejected. I hope you understand why 9 is rejected. Okay, 9 is rejected because if you take this x as a 9, it will not form a box. That is what we are rejected. Next 18 is equal to 6x. 1 6, how many 6 are Raja? 3 times. 3 if you are giving in this, 2 3s are 6, 18 minus 6 12, then box is formed, not an issue. Then 3 is accepted, 9 is rejected. Are you understand why 9 is rejected? Right. Length and breadth will become 0. Okay. Raja, are you understand? Length and you write here, since L B equal to 0, if you take x is 9. That is what since you mentioned. Okay. Now x equal to 3 we have. Appa, after getting x value, then what we have to do pa? we have to find double derivative to say what? Maximum. To say what, my dear? Maximum. Sir, they asked to find the x value. X value we got it. X is 3. That's it. Answer is over. Then what you are doing next? Very important thing. They asked to find the x when it is maximum. We understand. Still we didn't say maximum. So maximum, if you want to say v double dash we need. Understand pa? V double dash we need. Or else even theorem 3 also you can use. First derivatives also you can use if you want. But I'm going v double dash. Let's find v double dash. I'm going next page. So first v dash first for reference I'll writing here. V dash is equal to what ma? V dash here we have 18 minus 2x. What is that? 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. This is what I said, answer number 1. Sir, this step you don't write, sir. For my reference I'm writing. What you want right now? Differentiate 1. Okay. So that v double dash is equal to, again uv formula pa. This is u, this is v I'm taking. uv whole dash is equal to u dash v plus u v dash. That is I want to apply. U dash now what ma? 18 minus 2x you want to differentiate. 18 derivative 0 minus 2 into x derivative 1 leave it. Okay, into v na 18 minus 6x you write as it is. Plus here u into v dash. U value what pa? 18 minus 2x into v dash na, this one you have to differentiate. 18 derivative 0 minus 6 into 1 x derivative 1 leave it. That's it. Now simplify this ma. Minus this 2 if you multiply inside. Minus 2 into what is that? 18 what ra? Minus 36. Minus into minus plus 12x. Minus 6 if you bring inside na, minus 48 remaining 4. 6 plus 4 na 10. 108 minus and minus plus 12x. Listen carefully. Minus 12 plus 12 na 24x minus 108 36. Both we have to add. What I'm getting then? 14 1 4 1 144 I'm getting. What I'm getting pa? 144. Raja, you can take 24 outside, I'm right. 24 you can take outside, I'm right. 24 you take. Is it possible to take 24? Yes, you can take. What is that? X minus in 144, 24 if you take, is it 6? 24 into 6, is it 144? Check once again. 24 remaining to 12 now. Yes, 144. Yes. What is that? 6. So this is what? V double dash. Now take x value, substitute in it. What is the x value? We got x value 3. Take the x value, substitute in the next. So that v double dash at x is equal to 3 when I substitute na. 24 minus 3 minus 6 which is equal to 24 into minus 3. 24 into minus 3 which is less than 0. Double derivative less than 0 na. What we can do pa? Double derivative less than 0 na. What we can do pa? Maxima. Okay, then x is equal to 3 is maxima. Maxima means what? That is volume is maximum. Volume is maximum at x is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Hence side of what is that? Side of what they said? Side of square to be cut off. Side of square to be cut off. To be cut off is 3 centimeter. So which we have a cut the square in a corner, that is 3 centimeter in the corner we have. But this is 4 mark question. Last time this model 4 mark they asked. If you have good luck na 5 mark or 3 mark they will be asking. Okay, very important model. Can I go next pa? Have you done the previous page? Okay. By side done pa? So we'll go to question number what pa? What is question number? Next question? 18 So those who completed take 18 pa. Those who completed, take 18. Okay, next 18th question. Raja, 18th also same model, but this is rectangle. Listen pa, this is same model, but rectangle is given. See, rectangular sheet of tin 45 by 24. Listen, there is a rectangle. There is a rectangle here. So the rectangle will take here. This is the rectangle. What they said very clearly, 45 centimeter means length will be 45 centimeter by 24 means dimension they gave by 24. This is 24. This is 24 centimeter is to be made into a box without a top. This also what pa? Same without a top by cutting off square from each corner. This also what? They are cutting one square piece in the what my dear corner. Okay, in corner one square will be removed. Suppose the length of square, if I am taking x na, what will be the LMA? 45 minus 2x. And what about here then? This also x, this also x na, 24 minus 2x. Have you understand? Then first you write, let x is equal to side of a square to be cut off. Okay, this you take. Then length is equal to, Raja listen, length of rectangle, that is L, is equal to what we are getting? 45 minus 2x. What we are getting pa? 45 minus 2x. And breadth is equal to what ma? Breadth B is equal to 24 minus 2x. And height is equal to what pa? Height which you are folding, that x only will be height. X only will be what my dear? Height of the box. Understand? Everything we have now. After folding that, you will be getting what should be side of square to be cut off. The same question. Here also we have to find x. Here also volume of the box is maximum. Same pa. Here also volume will be maximum they are telling. Then volume only we have to differentiate. Then volume V is equal to length into breadth into height. Let me substitute value. V is equal to length what na? 45 minus 2x into breadth what na? 24 minus 2x into height what na? X. Height what my dear? X. But have you noticed it? This is not in the form of UV. This is what actually? UVW. Three terms we have. But don't want to go UVW. The small x term you take, multiply with any one. X term you take, multiply with any one. I am multiplying in the last. Okay. If you multiply, it will become two term. Now you see 45 minus 2x, 24 into x, 24x, 2x square, 2x into x, na 2x square you will be. This is the V. Now you can start to differentiate. Okay. So that differentiate with respect to x on both sides na. Then V dash is equal to UV formula I am going to use, Raja. This is U, this is V. So that UV formula what pa? UV whole dash, which is equal to U dash V plus U V dash. This is the formula I am going to apply there. So U means this one, 45 minus 2x when I differentiate. 45 derivative 0, 2 into x derivative 1. V as it is. V what? 24x minus 2x square will be as it is. Plus, now U will be as it is. This formula, U will be as it is. That is 45 minus 2x will be as it is. V dash na, this one you have to differentiate. So 24 into x derivative 1 minus 2 into x square. 2 let it be. X square when you differentiate, what you will be getting? 2x. X square when you differentiate, what you will be getting pa? 2x. Okay, closed bracket. Be careful when you do. X derivative 1. That's it. Now simplify. So simplify. What is common? Anything else? Simplify. Minus 2 you take, multiply inside, Raja. minus 2 you take multiply inside, so that what I'm getting, take this minus 2 multiply inside. Let's see what we are getting, minus 2, or else shall we take minus 2 outside, instead of multiplying it will be, it will become big number. So you take minus 2 outside, minus 2 let it be outside, 24x minus 2x square plus here, from here you can take 2 off, even 4 also you can take outside, even 4 also you can take outside, but we need only 2 alone you take outside. 2 if I am taking now, 45 minus 2x, from 24 if you take 2 it will be 12 minus 1 2 if you take now, another 2 will be there as it is. Okay, now both the 2 you take outside, both the 2 you take outside, sorry, just 2 I am taking outside. Then minus, when you multiply inside, minus 24x minus into minus plus 2x square. Now take this multiplication pa, Raja, take this multiplication, 45 into 12. Even this 2 also you have to, sorry, this 2 we have taken outside. Okay, 45 into 12 what ma? Anyone multiply 45 into 12. 45 into 12 what? 5 to 10 remaining 1. 8 plus 1 9. This will be 5 4 0 14 1 5. 540 I am getting. 45 into 12. What is that? 540. Again, what is this? 45 into minus 2. 45 into minus 2 na minus 90x. Okay, minus 90x. One more time, what is that? One more term we have, right? Minus 2x, when you multiply inside, what I am getting pa? Minus 2 into 12, 24 x. Same manner, if you multiply 2x here, 2 2s are what pa? 4, but minus into minus plus 4 x square you will be getting. Is anything possible to cancel now? Do it pa. Now listen, this is v dash is equal to 2 we have outside commonly, then 2x square, what is that? 4x square. When you add 6x square I am getting. Next, listen carefully, Raja, listen, this is minus 24x, also minus 24x, also minus 90x. Then all the negative when you add, what you will be getting? 90, 24, 24 now 48, then 8, 13, 138 I am getting, 138x. Okay, 138 x. What is the constant pa? 540. What is the constant pa? 540. Is there anything missed we? Just see, is there anything we missed pa? No, I'm right. Okay, what is commonly you can take? What is commonly you can take? What is that? Is that divisible by 3? Check once again. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus not 12. Yes, 3 you can take outside we can. 3 will try da Raja. 3 if you take na 2x square minus 4 3s are 12, balance 1 na 6 3s are. From this 1 3s are 3, remaining 2 na 24, 8 3s are 24. So again 2 you can take. Then already this is 6, is one more 2 if you take na 12. So x square 23x plus only 2 I am taking. Okay, 2 when I am taking, this will become 90. That's it. Pa, this is v dash ma. This is what, my dear? V dash. Listen. This is what pa? V dash. Be careful when you differentiate. And simplifying this also very important. When you simplify only, you will be getting x value. Okay. Right. You have to take I factorization for this. Take I factorization 90 minus 23. So what you will be getting? 90 if you take na. 2 if you take 45, again 5 if you take 9, 3 if you take 3, again 3 if you take 1. So that 15, this is what ma? 6. 15 and 6 when you add what? 21. It's not coming, leave it. Then what we can go? Shall we try this one? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 and 5 when you add, okay, 18 and 5 when you add, you will be getting 23. Put both are negative. So minus into minus positive. When you add, you will be getting minus 23. So that this you can write 12 into x minus 18 into x minus 5. So this is our answer. Understand? If you put equal to 0, you will be getting the x value. So that put what is that? Put v dash is equal to 0. 12 into x minus 18, x minus 5 equal to 0. 12 when you send opposite it will be divide. 0 divided anything divide. So 18 x minus 18 equals 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 18 1 and x is equal to 5 1. Which one we can reject? You can see this. Listen pa, 18 if you are taking now, take here 2 into 18 36. 24 minus 36 it will be negative. So negative and all you will not be getting. Negative and all you never be getting. So this 18 is rejected. 18 is rejected. 5 is accepted. X equal to 5 is accepted. Okay. Okay, 5 is accepted. Whether the 5 is maxima or minima, that you have to check. For checking maxima minima, what we have to do? We need a double derivative. So that take this answer number 1. Take this answer number 1, differentiate and substitute the x value in it. Okay, can I go to next page? Then can I do in the same page? Okay. So that first page something I will erase ma. Okay, only x value they asked to find, don't forget. So listen, differentiate 1 with respect to x, so that 1 implies v double dash which is equal to, outside what we have 12, let it be as it is, 12 let it be as, that is multiply constant and all, nothing will happen. X square when you differentiate you will be getting 2x minus 23x when you differentiate 23 let it be, x when you differentiate that will be 1 and 90 when you differentiate 0 that is because constant. Now what I am getting, 12 into 2x minus 23, this is v double dash. Now v double dash at x is equal to what va? 5 when you substitute you will be getting something, x equal to 5 when you substitute, 12 into 2 into 5 what ma, 10 minus 23 which is equal to 12 into minus 13 which is less than 0. Double derivative less than 0 na, what we can say this? Maxima. So that then x equal to 5 is maxima. So after set maxima, what is the, I mean x equal to 5 is maxima na, what is the meaning? Therefore volume is maximum. Volume of a box is maximum at x is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, hence finally what you can say, the side of square to be cut off is what? 5 centimeter. That's it. Have you understand pa? Okay, it's the same, I mean the same rectangle pattern only they asked last year in the 4 mark case study. In case study they asked, but in rectangle we have a 2 question, one here, one more in example. Example also rectangle only. Those who completed, write question number 19. Tell me da, what's your doubt? Ma? Isra. Really, it look like PS. Pa, this one IS. Okay, that is cursive letter man. Okay, right fast. We'll go to question number 19. Ma, girl side. Right first. Have you done pa? Are you understand this? Rectangle takes little work. Have you noticed it? To differentiate and simplify and all. Be careful. Can I go to 19 pa? Is anyone writing? Done Nada Raja, good. This side, write fast. Completed appa. Sweta. Okay, next question number 20. We are moving. See, the question is too small, I'm right, but it will take big. Listen carefully. Listen what they are telling. Show that all rectangle inscribed in a fixed circle. There is a circle, it seems. There is a circle. So that rectangle inscribed in a fixed circle. It means rectangle will be inside or outside? Inside. That is what they are telling. All rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle. So there is a circle. There is a circle. Sorry. So circle I am taking here. Raja, there is a circle. Here inside, what they said? There is a rectangle inscribed. They said which means rectangle you have to draw. Okay, which means what? Rectangle you have to draw. That's it. See, rectangle is inscribed. Okay, inside this circle there is a rectangle. Okay, what we have to show that all rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has maximum area. Raja, listen carefully. Listen carefully. The question is very like a twisted one. Rectangle to become a square, the square has a maximum area, which means rectangle has a maximum area. When you find that side of the rectangle and length of the rectangle, means length and breadth, when you find, both will be equal. In the rectangle, length and breadth equal, na, the rectangle will become what? In the rectangle, both length and breadth will be equal. Na? What is the rectangle called? Square. That is what they are telling here. Okay. So the rectangle should be square as well as the area must be maximum. Okay. Which area? Rectangle area must be maximum as well as you have to prove that is a square. Two work you have to do. One is maximum area, another one is that is a square, which means length and breadth equal. First let me take length is equal to x, breadth is equal to y. Okay, like that I am taking, and this one, what is that? This is the radius of the circle you can take. Appa, listen. First, listen pa. See, given fixed circle is there. Given fixed circle. With the help of that, you can go. Before that, what they asked to prove? Area is the maximum. So that length is equal to. Let me write first. Let length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y and r is equal to what, ma? Radius of the circle. R is the radius. L and sorry, x and y are length and breadth of a rectangle. Okay, it's a rectangle. Right, fine, pa. Then area equal to what we have to say? Maximum. Area means what, ma? Length into breadth. What is area of rectangle, pa? Length into breadth. Area of rectangle I am using. So length is x, breadth is y. I told you we cannot go. Listen, we cannot go directly. What, pa? We cannot go directly with the two variable. Either one variable means either x or y you can follow. But there is a two variable x and y here. Okay. So any one you have to remove. What we can use? So rectangle inscribed is given. Listen, pa. If you joining this na, that is also radius. This also radius. This also radius. Am I right? Then what is the rectangle? It will make what, ma? 90 degree. Rectangle it will make what, ma? 90 degree. Then surely this will be what? Hypotenuse. This will be what, ma? Hypotenuse. So that ABC you take. ABCD is a rectangle. Rectangle is what, by ABCD. But in that, in the sins portion, let me take this. In the sins, in a triangle ABC, where B is equal to 90 degree, then by Pythagoras. By wait Pythagoras. By Pythagoras theorem, what we can take square of the hypotenuse, means square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of square of other two sides. Okay, so AC value what ma, 2 times R whole square, AB value x square, BC value y square. Okay, which means what is that, 4 times of R square is equal to x square plus y square. I told you any one variable you can use, either x or y. Suppose x square, when you bring this side now, 4 times R square is equal to x square, that is equal to y square. Raja, y square equal to what we got? Y square equal to 4 times of R square minus the x square. But y alone, see, but y only we need. Y if we are finding now, it will become square root. Listen, square root and all don't go. Square root and all if you take, answer will be too difficult. To avoid square root, what I am going to do, I am going to square the answer. Here in this step I am going to square. Then a square is equal to x square into y square you will be getting. Listen carefully here. If a is maximum, if a is maximum, then a square is also maximum. Which means when you compare something, a is the big number I am telling. When you square it will become a big number or small number pa? Big only again. So even same thing you can use for minimum also. Okay. That now what is that? X square into y square equal to what I know? Y square equal to what I know? The star point you can use. Okay, by star. By star point 4 times of R square minus x square. Take the x square, multiple inside. 4 times of R square into x square minus x square into x square, x power 4. So this one let me take as a f of x. Raja, the a square I am taking as what, my dear? F of x. Okay, the a square I am taking as f of x, not a issue. Okay, because we got in terms of x variable. Now listen carefully, children. Children, listen carefully in the question. The word given, where it is there in the word problem, that you have to consider as a constant always. So that given for a circle means a radius will be constant. Radius will be what ma? Constant. Then r will be, sorry, x will be variable. Okay, x will be variable. Very important this is. Now differentiate to find x value. Differentiate with respect to x means f dash of x which is equal to what is that, 4 times r square is the constant, multiply constant. X square when I differentiate, it became 2x minus x power 4 when you differentiate, 4x cube. Now what you can take outside? 4x you can take outside. Then remaining what? 2 times r square minus x square. Okay, is it correct pa? 1 4 1 x if I take now, 2 r square minus x square. Okay, this is f dash of x. Now to find x value, put what, my dear? F dash of x is equal to 0. Put f dash of x is equal to what pa? 0. So that when you differentiate, what I am getting pa? Sorry, when you put equal to 0, what I am getting pa? 2 times of r square minus x square equal to 0. Then 4 times x is equal to 0. 2 times x square minus, sorry, 2 times r square minus x square equal to 0. X is equal to 0 you will be getting. 0 is rejected because 0 if you take now, we cannot form a rectangle here. Okay, 0 if you take, rectangle not formed. Okay, right, rectangle not formed, 0 if you take. Then 2 times of r square is equal to x square. Then what I am getting square when you send opposite? For r square when you take root na, just r you will be getting. 2 if you take root na, you will be getting root 2. So that root 2 is a x value. Root 2 r is a x value. Okay, that let it be. Now we have to find a double derivative. Okay, double derivative, this one will differentiate. 1 I will take because double derivative is a maximum we have to say. Okay, so that differentiate. What is that? 1. So that 1 implies what I am getting here, f double dash of x, which is equal to, listen carefully, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are what ma? 8 r square. X when I differentiate, you will be getting 1. X when I differentiate, you will be getting 1. Minus 4, let it be. X cube when you differentiate, 3 x square. Understand? Now simplify this. Or instead of simplify, you can apply the value also. Okay, 4 3s are 12 x square. This is what ma? F double dash of x. Children, x square value we have. What ma? X square value. X square value what pa? 2 times r square. Substitute. Okay, so that 8 times r square minus 12 into x square value what na? 2 times r square. So that 8 times r square minus 24 times r square. When you subtract, what I am getting pa? Minus 16 times r square, which is less than 0. Pa f double derivative of x is less than 0 na. What we can say pa? Maxima. Okay, x is what ma? Maxima. So then x is equal to root 2 into r is maxima. If it is maxima na, what is the meaning pa? Area is maximum. That is what my dear? Area is maximum. Okay, one question we have done successfully. What is second question pa? What is second question? They asked to say square also. They asked to say what my dear? Square also. Square means what ma? X value and y value must be equal. Already we have x value here. Y value we have to find. Where we can find y value? With help of star point. With help of star point, you can find a y value. For this, I am taking next page. Can I go to next page? Or else in the same page, can I rough here? Here little bit. This page can I rough? So what I am finding? Y value. So that star implies y square is equal to what we have? 4 times r square minus 4 times r square minus x square. X value what we know? 2 times r square. When you subtract again 2 times r square, then y equal to square root of 2 times r square. For r we can take root, 2 we don't have root, that's it. So therefore x is equal to y equal to r root 2 we are getting. If in a rectangle x and y are equal na, then what we can say? Square. So that then rectangle ABCD is square. Okay, since length, since in a rectangle length equal to breadth na, then it's square. Okay, this you write. That's it pa. Have you got my point? Is it okay pa? Is it okay children? Okay Daraja. Next video will come, 20 question will do in the next video my dear. Thank you children. Take care. See you. Bye later.